everyone! Today we are going to draw an adorable version of Hello Kitty as a chef. If you're a fan of cooking or Hello Kitty, you're going to love this drawing. So let's start with her face. So I want to make her eyes first. It's a part of her face. So let's make a circle. And we're going to come across to make the second circle. I'm going to darken the circle a little bit more. Okay, now let's make Hello Kitty's nose. So let's make a circle like that. Okay. Now I'm going to switch my marker because we want to make this Hello Kitty attractive and pretty. So we're going to start from here. And we're going to also start from here. Like brackets. This is the outline of Hello Kitty. Now let's make Hello Kitty's ears. So her ears are something like that. And also one right over here. So now we want to make the chef cap for her. So I'm again going to switch my marker. Okay, let's make her chef cap. So we're gonna make a line going up and like a cloud, like a bubble. And same like that over here. Now let's finish her cap. Her chef cap. And also make some details on this. Yes. Again, I'm going to switch my marker. And now we will make Hello Kitty's whiskers. Oh, I forgot. The whiskers need the second marker. I'm sorry. Okay, let's make her whiskers. So one whisker like that. Second whisker like that. Third whisker like that as well. Same thing on this side. 2, 3. Yay. Hello Kitty fans comment. Cinnamoroll fans like. Okay, now let's make Hello Kitty's outfit. Her cute little outfit. So let's start from here to make Hello Kitty's shape. Something like that. If you guys follow along, this drawing is going to be super duper easy. Yes, like that. It's gonna look better. Let's make Hello Kitty's hands first. So I want to make a utensil in her hand. So that's why I'm leaving that spot over there. Otherwise, no leaving spots. Okay, her second hand is completed. Now for her outfit, I'm going to let's make her little tiny shoes. So I'm going to make a line like so, and also on this side. Now let's make some dots. Dot, 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 dot. Yes. The dots are like the style for her shoes. Because I love details. Details, yeah, whatever. Okay, now let's draw her shirt. So she has this type of shirt. So we're going to make this. Yes, like that. So easy. Okay, now we will make her shirt. And also like that. Okay, now I want to make a pocket for Hello Kitty's chef dress. So in her pocket, she's gonna keep her utensils she need. So that's that. Now we're missing something. We have to make Hello Kitty's utensils that she's holding. So now let's make it. My marker's a magic. It keeps changing. Okay. Now we're making a shape like that. And the handle of it. Super duper easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So it's a utensil, okay? It's a utensil. Okay, now it's not connected from here. So let's connect it. And make sure to connect your drawing. And give your drawing some personal details. Okay, I want to make some dots on her shirt too. So let's make it. My marker is spreading. It spreads like when I put a dot on it, and it spreads like big dots. The dots look so cute on our little Hello Kitty. And that's it. Thanks for drawing with me, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun drawings. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!